All right, so I'm here with Zach, and today we are cutting
Oregon Sunstone.
Oregon Sunstone.
We're going to make a few pieces.
Zach picked this up in Tucson at the Gem Show, and now he's here at our shop in Connecticut.
I'm learning how it all works.
We've got a brand new machine here, and let's see what we can cut.
Zach, what are you most excited for?
Truthfully, I've wanted to learn how to do this for a very long time, and I'm just excited to spend time with my friend.
So we've got the Ultratech V5 digital angle. Digital angle allows you to do really precise angles. So when you're designing gemstones with angles that are fractions of a degree, this allows you to do that.
How do you lock it in place at those precise angles?
There's
two knobs?
Yeah, there's a knob here that you loosen and you press it against this backing here. And then there's another knob on top that allows you to do micro adjustments. So you'll get a feel for that here in a sec. Then you have your dops. This is what you use to hold gems. So you want to use the largest dop compared to the size of the stone you're cutting to give you the most surface area.
Got it. What's
to
the
attach.
method to affix the dop?
The method to fix the dop will be another lesson that we'll run through. You use dop wax or glue. Depends on what you're cutting. I like to use dop wax, but certain gems are better to use glue if they're stones that can't really take heat. You got your water tank. You got to use this. This keeps the dust from getting in the air, and you don't want to inhale silica because that leads to silicosis, and
That's very silly.
won't be able to breathe anymore. And then you have your different laps here. You have everything from your rough coarse laps for shaping stones to your finer laps that are for polishing. Snake oil, because I am a snake oil salesman. That's fine mineral oil. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Ready?
Yeah.
So with stuff that's like kind of rough and shaped like this, oftentimes I'll just start cutting it, and after I make a cut, I mark it, I do it in CAD.
Reverse effect.
So like, yeah, I shape it first and then I get the CAD shape to be the exact same as what I did. And then I start doing the facets on the bottom. There's many different ways to go about it.
One down. How does even one like showcase a stone?
Grabbing the first stone. Zac, what do you think about your experience so far?
He's been working me to the bone.
No rest, no food.
I haven't had sleep in days.
Look at all these tools.
That is the sound you want, though.
Does that put a shine on it at all, or just?
Oh yeah.